Did you find? Whoa.
Yeah, there's a whole pallet of drinks up there.
That there, okay. Okay. Get shampoo.
In that dumpster. Whole
What's
bunch of
inside?
Zava.
Let's see.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, anti-dandruff shampoo too. Okay. Mag-dumpster tayo. Turang! Ooh! May pa-candy dyan ah. Aba! May candy. May mga bag. Ah. May candy dito, be. Ang dami naman. Oh. Is a lot of gummies. Ayan eh. Oh. Meron pa. Pasukin ko. Ayun. May pasta. Uy, 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 uy. Tumawalog. Uy, 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 uy. Uy. Ito oh. Taran. Isang bag. Oh. Kadami. Yeah, sauerkraut and look. Watermelon. And this one, grapes. And that one like this. Sour. Oh, mabutas yung bag. Uy. Uy. No, 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 no. Uy. Nasira na. Ano ba yan? You ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Maulog. Dari. Okay. Nasira yung bag. Basura. May mabigat pa dito. Oh, ham. Hot dog. Ito. May damit. Oh, luma. Ito, may pants. Okay. Ha, leggings. Okay, that's it. That's it. Just the candy. No. Walang laman. Let's go.
A white blazer. Not like your truck.
How you doing? You got more. You got more. Got more.
There's no stuff in everybody.
Got more stuff.
There's no stuff in everybody. There's just more stuff in everybody.
Got more there. Okay. Ang dami.
Yeah. Why is that bad? Come on.
All drinks.
The drink ain't that bad, man. The drink's pretty good for real. I just drank one while ago. I didn't drink it there. I'm gonna start sick.
Nothing else. Just drinks.
No, there's drinks. There's green beans. I'll get probably
Canned food.
500 cans of green beans in here. Diced taters.
Okay.
Laters. All kinds of stuff. Yeah, it ain't bad.
Give that to me then. Oh, Starburst
Pretty good.
juice. Yeah. Juice. Starburst juice. Kunin natin tong drinks. This is you. I see some drink juice on the bottom. This yours.
Huh?
This yours.
No, you get.
You good? Okay.
I feel like dumping it. I'll be done damn busting something. No, not like I'll be done busting something in your truck.
What else did you find? Whoa.
Yeah, there's a whole pallet of drinks up there.
That there, okay.
Bunch of
Okay.
drinks up here.
Get shampoo.
In that dumpster. Whole
What's
bunch of
inside?
them.
Let's see.
Oh, what's that?
Oh, anti-dandruff shampoo too. Okay. Nice.
That pink stuff, that stuff's real good. I use some of that.
A what?
The other week, that pink stuff, I give some of that to my mom. Please, that's it.
And
No,
that-
no, no,
Got
no.
that salicylic.
Let me
It was
smell.
something else.
Let me smell.
I thought that's what I got
Where's
last
that
week, but it wasn't.
Oh, that smell good. I hope.
Smell good?
Yeah, I hope I found some that too. That smell good, Mama. The shampoo right there. That smell good. You still got more shampoo there.
Huh?
Still got more shampoo.
Man, there's a lot of shampoo.
I want to get some shampoo too.
Okay, get right down.
Yeah.
Right down there, and right on in there is where it all is.
Right
in
there?
the middle. Yeah.
Okay, got you. I'm gonna get some bag. Te, ang dami ting shampoo. Mm. Manguha tayo ng shampoo.
I would have dumped it in there. I didn't want to, man. I'd be done busting something, you know, a lot of that.
Wala tayong bag. Yun lang. Bag ba to? Bag ba ito? Bag ba ito? Ayan, bag. Yeah. This is bag. Yeah. Pasukin natin. Let's go inside. Suot tayo shampoo. Nasaan ba ang shampoo na sinasabi niya? Wala naman na. Wala mo na akong makita. Ayun. Ang bango ng shampoo eh. Ito. Ayan siya oh. Anti-dandruff. Iba ay basag. Kasama ko yung yung kapitbahay kong Pilipina. Sa yung nasa loob ng sasakyan. Ayan. Yung shampoo ito. Bango ng shampoo eh. Kaya lang yung aking bag mukhang hindi matibay. Diyan ko muna ito. Kunin natin ang mga shampoo. May naunang nag-dumpster. Pero dahil madami nga ang silang tapon, okay lang yun. Madaming maghati-hati. Ano to? Wala. Saan ang ibang shampoo dyan? Hindi ko alam kung gusto to ng asawa ko. Kasi sabi niya bawal na daw magdala ng drink sa trabaho. Asan ba ang ibang shampoo na yan? Hindi ko makita. shampoo, where are you? Ayun, isa. Ayun. Ayun, 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 ayun. Ayan. Diba? Ayun ang mga shampoo. Ayun. May lavender din. Shampoo lang pagkukunin ko. Hindi na ako kumuha ng canned foods. Yung shampoo mapakinabangan natin. Huwag lang sanang maglagas ang buhok kapag ginamit ito. Anti-dandruff naman nakalagay eh. So hindi naman ata nakakalagas ng buhok ito. Baka after natin tong gamitin, nakalbo na tayo. Imbis na gumanda yung buhok, nakalbo gumamit ng shampoo galing sa dumpster. Ganon. Ay. Ayan. O, diba? Ano ba ito? Crackers. Okay. Kunin ko yan. Okay. Ano pa ba? Dami na rin naman akong nakuha. Halukay ubi talaga. Eh, tama na siguro yun. Wala na akong makita. Daming canned foods. Canned foods. Okay. Wala na. Let's go. Ooh. Hello mga ka-subscribers! Kamusta po kayo? So hali tayo mag-shoutout and birthday greetings. If today's your birthday, happy birthday! More birthday to come! And welcome na rin po natin ang ating mga new subscribers. Welcome po sa aking channel. Kamusta po kayo? Shoutout to Danilo Jumalon, Eunice Lavareyas, Marivic Pares, Marlisa Gonzalo, Daisy Cavan, Jocelyn Losaura Shawararat, Salva Langkuyan. Hello po Nanay Jane Tabisola, Saiba Asis, Lani Laurencio, Cristina Infante, Kulits Vlog, hello, Edeline Romola, Maris Vivar, shout out, Jan Eitan, Arceli Quilleton, May Colina, Giselle Manawi Shawararat, Eva Marie Domingo, Miss Michelle Francisco, Rosemary Ayora, Jessica Aludo, Virgie Anton Shawararat, Miss Jessica Magbanwa, Rolen Alas, Miss Vivian Cortez, Aiza Mariano, Nick Loyola, Miss Chris Montero, Miss Amy Sarabelio, and shout out also to Rosalina Consay, Maria Farida Amba, hello po, Lea de la Cruz, Irene Calma Shawararat, Ella Evs Arcega, Vilma Abrimatia, Eileen Gracia, shout out, And shout out also to Miss Michelle Francisco, Laila Bacolanta, Annalie Israel, Lilia Sapinoso, Rowena Mayral, Loida Valencia, Darren James Acosta, Miss Jocelyn Castro, Edwin Gasinga, Nanay Lilia Techelo, Lalin Coros, Jenica Garcia, Nelsie Lamag, Nanay Mirna Gabayno, Ate Sheila Balute, Miss Irene Caballero, Bernadette Tison, Manay Supia, Risa Salminao, hello, Miss Arlene Medena, Ina Yanig, Briella Cabangis, Vanessa Sibaste, Pelalyn Bahasan, Sakeo Divina Gracia, Ling Alvor, Miss Susan Anion, Miss Florenda Sayangco, Miss Alma Karanay, Annalyn Banigued, hello, and shout out also to Miss Nene El Susura, Evelyn Constantino, Miss Annie Benson, Helen Eugenio, Len Maroto, Alona Tolete, Miss Madeline Salvana, Sheila Perez, Gretch Pato, Miss Susan Romero, hello, Marilyn Maroto, Angelica Bibares, Leia Nuque, Loida Pontanilla, Nanay Wilfreda Lawas, Jovel Murillo, Mirna Maningo, Aisa Apolonio, Gabriel, Delia Pacoldo, Miss Agustina Doblon, Melody Heroyla, hello po, Marvin Kahinde, shout out, Sherlyn Mongkal, hello, Edeline Del Rosario, Chloe Jane Aquino, shout out, Miss Maritas Ayora, Marie Cris Napao, hello po, Batang Ibunan, Regine Dispacio, hello, Mercy Bangkuyu Abriol, hello po, Richard Barado, Shawararat, and shout out also to Rolly Balais, Vilma Hadi, and shout out also to Johnny De Arco and Erwin Piring and Mr. Peter Salvador. Hello Teresa Manuel, Boyda, and Roland Alas. Diyan lang po muna kayo. Enjoy your watching. Salamat! So, eto na po mga ka-subscribers. Ito yung aking dalawang dumpster na pinuntahan. Nakipag-agawan din ako dito sa mga drinks. At yung shampoo. Hindi sa drinks ako nakipag-agawan kasi sobrang daming drinks. Nakipagsabayan tayo sa pamamasura dahil nauna na nga sila. So, halukay ubi rin tayo. Yung sa kanila siguro mga nasa ibabaw lang, diba? Yung sa akin, lalo na yung mga shampoo, talagang maghalughog ka mabit kung gusto mong makakuha. Ganon yung labanan. Ang bango ng mga shampoo. Hindi ko lang alam kung bakit may paganyan siya. Curl Moisture, pangkulot ng buhok, ganon. Para lang sa kulot, hindi pwede sa tuwid. Anti-dandruff po yung shampoo na ito. Ayun, may mga anti-dandruff siya. Yung kasama ko nga sa pamamasura, yes, shout out kay Ate Lalaine. Siya yung kapitbahay kong Pilipina dito. Sabi ko, hali samahan mo ako mamasura. Binigyan ko na rin siya ng shampoo. At ito yung mga candies. Tuwang-tuwa na naman yung asawa ko. Pati yung Ferrero, dadalhin mo. Pati Ferrero, hindi niya pinatawad. Mga candies, dalhin niya yan sa work niya. At merong isang pirasong crackers. Sabi niya nga, baka madami pa daw doon. Hindi ko sure kung madami, pero yan lang yung nakuha ko. So, maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. So, don't forget to like and share and good vibes comment. Mabets lots of vlog. Bye! Don't forget to subscribe. Salamat!